Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to cover how the Internet of Things, or IoT, is transforming fleet management in the enterprise software realm. If you're involved in maintenance or operations, this content is designed specifically for you. We're about to examine the significant influence of IoT on fleet management, with around a quarter of the market already employing telematics through fixed or mobile computers. Stay with us to learn about the role of IoT in enhancing safety, reducing expenses, boosting productivity, and providing the adaptability that modern businesses desire. Let's begin by understanding the immense impact of IoT on fleet management. Picture a world where approximately 25% of the market is already using telematics integrated through mounted or mobile computers. You heard it correct. Fleet management isn't just another sector. It's progressively becoming a fundamental part of comprehensive business operations, wholly integrated with wider software solutions and optimization plans. So why is fleet management rising up the ladder? It's all about its potential to enhance safety, cut costs, increase productivity, and offer the flexibility and agility that modern businesses require. And at the core of this transformation is the IoT, which links vital components like lift trucks into a cohesive, intelligent network. Now let's discuss some key advantages of IoT-based enterprise fleet management. Firstly, predictive maintenance. This isn't only about fixing things when they break. With IoT, you receive detailed insights into every vehicle component, part, and resource. Predictive analysis helps you avoid significant losses by keeping you updated with every minor detail of your fleet, guiding you on the path to success. Secondly, we have improved tracking. It's not just about knowing the location of your vehicles. It's about optimizing the entire dispatch process. Monitor your driver's routes on a map, pinpoint the exact time to delivery, identify the shortest routes, and enhance location accuracy. This level of detail significantly improves your dispatching efficiency. So, whether you're aiming to reduce costs, enhance safety, or simply make your operations run smoother, integrating IoT into your fleet management strategy could be your key to success. And that wraps up our discussion on the transformative power of IoT in fleet management. We've covered the potential of IoT to enhance safety, reduce costs, and increase productivity, all while providing the flexibility modern businesses require. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights on enterprise software solutions. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.